else that you see around that doesn't have an avatar that is medium or better. Also, if you don't see the messages on our screen right now, then we ask that you show Cyan Laser's avatar and my avatar, and you'll be able to see on-screen messages, which will inform you whether or not we're respawning, or telling everyone to be quiet, or a portal is dropped and is open. So, if you show the world last week,
for the log system, make sure override it such that shown avatars are always shown, such that you don't see us as diamonds.
That's the bottom checkbox in that section. If you showed the world last week, you're on cooldown, so we ask you to wait by entering, and you can come and ask us later, and we'll inform you whether or not we can allow you on the list or not. So, with that, those that want to show a world can step inside the rectangle on the floor here, and you'll end up on the list. If you have time constraint, please let me know, and I'll move you around.
Nice.
So...
Nice.
So, is there anyone here who has time constraint or a large world? No one?
I don't believe so.
No. Well, if not, I will punish you guys later.
They're all 250 megabytes.
Well, I've locked the list, and this is the list that we have now. So, UnityTrap, Steve Muchgana, Garloid, Jessien, Tummy Time, and Spectral Owl. If that's okay, then that's the list we're going by, and I'll also post it on Discord. So, with that, Unity, you want to say anything?
With your mic unmuted?
I hear nothing.
Is there mic? There we go.
Have I gone deaf?
Okay, great introduction.
I didn't say anything.
Come on, now I understand everything.
It's a mute world.
Oh, that's fixed.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's fixed.
Maybe the right microphone.
Did anyone hear anything from them? Because it looked like their name tag didn't even.
I can't hear anything.
I didn't see anything. Silence.
Type on your keyboard.
There you go.
Nope.
Darkness, my old friend.
Quick, type all the emojis. That's all.
Wait,
Oh god. You can't even type emojis yet, you have to copy them. I know, right? It's cursed.
Oh, I don't know if ever.
It's working.
It was working.
People that are not your friends if you're not friends with them.
So we don't share the world ID.
Well, now it ain't. It was working.
So even then, like it
Was.
apparently shows ID in the new menu anyway.
Mike.
Well, now they're not talking. Yeah, that much is incontrovertible today.
Yeah, sure, it's just in settings. Confidence safety.
Yeah, it's a bit weird in the new menu, but also way easier to find.
Yeah, we just swap you with the next person, and then we can start your mic out for the next go.
In the beginning, that was rough.
Imagine having to fix your mic instead of your world.
Yeah, so Steve, you can do it first.
But I say that's easier than fixing the world.
Yeah, real quick. Need to make sure I'm in right attire. Okay, everyone, today I'm going to be showing off a prefab I've been working on, as well as a world for that prefab demo.
This is wonderful.
It is going to be just about boids, mainly this one right here on my head. Top of the morning to you. I'm going to be slapping it down. It is based on Genshin Impact. There's no music to worry about. There's only bird noises, and yeah, it shouldn't be too loud. I don't think I made it too loud, but it should be okay. Okay.
Is that a Genshin avatar? Is that what that's from?
Does it come with a
Red?
Oh no, yeah, so this is basically just the old man avatar that I usually go as, but I kind of slapped some things together. This new world menu, I swear, uploaded, there we go. Alright, Pigeon Coop.
Yeah, make sure
Friends Plus,
Gonna get along with the pigeons?
front portal, this is so cool, I love this.
Oh yeah, I have not tested out the new
All
portal
right,
dropper
Friends
yet.
Plus, good to
That'll be
go.
fun.
All right, everybody can see it?
Nope.
We good?
Oh, no, it's gone.
And it's gone.
No!
Steve, don't. Did it? Was it because he moved close to it? I don't know. We'll just see.
New
No, he
instance.
just turned around.
Friends Plus.
Unlock.
Unlock. Drop portal. I'm gonna put it over. I'm gonna put it right there. Right. Nobody move!
Portal placement.
No! Who moved? Which one of you moved? No, I'm
Can
kidding.
you place it
All
without the portal placer, maybe?
Hold on to it. That's my fault.
Maybe, yeah. Let's try it. All right.
I don't know. It's you know, I'm debugging here.
Okay.
But not
In the quick menu? Okay, let's see it.
Yeah, turn the hollow portals, hollow portal placer.
Accessibility. Safety. Safety. Portal mode. All right. Let's try this. All right. Third time's the charm, everybody.
Amber, if you're ready for this.
We believe into you.
Nope. You're just cursed, Steve.
I'm just cursed. All right. Well,
Is it public? Is the world public?
So what do you want? Like, I mean, I can't slap it down, but what do y'all think? What's
Is the world public? Can someone else try dropping a portal to it?
It is not public.
Oh.
But I can enable it in a few minutes here.
Then it needs a cat.
As soon as I can navigate.
Just for somebody else to drop a portal?
I mean, I guess. I don't know how else.
I mean, one of the other options is moving to the next person. Well, okay, if you're making it public, anyway.
I probably crashed it.
Yes, do it. All right, there we go. Cool. And I was planning on making it public anyways today. But yeah, if somebody wants to find the Pigeon Coop, it has a pigeon on the front. It shouldn't be too difficult to find.
You should dedicate one person and not tell everybody. So pick one.
Are you on the, well, you're on the beta. Is there
Everybody's
anyone
going
who's
through a
not
portal.
on the beta?
Are you destroying his portals on purpose?
Is there anyone who's not on the beta client at the moment?
So wait, were you doing phones?
If you're not on the beta client, just go down to one of the corners and see if you can drop a portal.
I can't cancel the party dropping. The UI is stuck on my head.
Oh wait, I'm just gonna try and see what it does.
All right, go for it, Cyan.
For that reason.
I can't even click the button.
Person keeps putting the crouch in my face.
What's happening?
Oh, it died.
15 people
Left hand?
Problem placing portals.
Okay, do people see?
Oh, it disappeared
Damn.
again.
Alright, well, just I gotta give
Maybe a link.
It's all portals.
Should we just join off of each other or something? I don't know.
Might be required to go to live. As so good as that is.
Maybe a link in the Discord. Do you think the new update? Do you think the new update for the VRChat has kind of cocked it all? I know there's a lot of problems.
As far as I've heard, it's 12 portals, but maybe more.
No, it died. Yeah, it keeps dying.
No one can create portals. It seems they all die within 5 seconds.
Just DM once we jump, so he has like.
Maybe someone who's not on the beta.
Have it closer to spawn than that ass spawn.
No, yeah, both on and off the beta tried. They just can't do it.
It won't work for me in there.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try to
Here,
drop
let me
portals
turn
into
off
the
verbose HUD. Actually, no one needs to see all of that, especially. Is that in quick menu? Hold on. Ba-ba-ba. User interface. We'll do minimal. Minimal, and then let's turn off join leave.
Horrible. I'm drinking some Spanish cherry beer.
Why?
There is a portal over there that survived.
Okay.
Oh, go this way.
Oh! We've got one. We've got a live one. We've got a live one right here.
There you go.
Are we using it? Use it! Use it! No! Oh, it's dead!
It's gone.
It's dead. It wasn't. Oh man, I'm lagging like crazy moving over here. Oof.
It lasted until it expired.
The moment science stepped in, it crashed it again.
I guess we're going to this other
He's
one.
the only one there right now.
Why is everyone over here?
This beta seems to be great.
It's not the beta. Why is everyone on beta as well?
Why is my frame so... Is it just moving through people? The avatar hider is just shitting itself, I think.
I mean, well, I've already written like 60 candies already. So,
Yes, thank you for writing cannies. I have a number of things that I'm like, oh, I'll sit down and I'll write them, and I just don't. I figure someone's got it covered.
I've spent way too many hours this weekend.
Meetup discussion, and it should be solid now, so we should be able to jump to that link.
Okay.
Why is Google Chrome sending me notifications from Netflix?
Because you're using Google Chrome. That's mistake number one.
Link in the community and the Meetup discussion in the community.
All right, let's take a look at Meetup discussion. Meetup discussion.
I get to join that one.
All right. Let's go. Let's go to the link. Invite me. I should probably change my social status. I'm still blue, but we're going to change that to Meetup. Meetup.
Yeah.
Date. Do I gotta? Alright, I'm going to the instance link. Nice. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of those. I hope there's a canny about the caltrops piercing your body. Not a big fan. Do those scale with your IPD, I wonder? Like, if you're a tiny avatar, are those just, like, massive? That's a word that I haven't had to use in a long time, and I had to, like, think real hard to remember what that word is. Caltrops. That's those little, like, sharpened metal spiky things they throw on roads to give you flat tires.
What?
That's what those look like.
We made it.
What's this?
I heard.
Oh. Yeah. Ooh, I like the bird noises. Honestly, pigeon noises are one of the most comforting sounds. Oh no! I'm sorry! I didn't mean it! Come back! Is there eggs?
Because I wanted to make a simple NPC.
Oh wait, that's the feature though. Like, I think those pigeons are the feature if they're boys.
Ah! I want them to
Okay,
come
there's
back.
a lot of like repeated same sound.
Oh, that one! I like that one perched before it landed.
I survive in VR.
Okay. Look at the normal pigeon colored
They're
one
not synced.
when it comes back. Well, yeah, just like trigger them, and then wait for it to come back. And the normal looking one, it lands before. Oh no, it didn't do it. It did it right this time. Oh, weird. What the hell?
Why is it so tall?
All right.
Do you want to explain more of this? But it like sounds like you said it was all boys. Oh wait, that's not.
Oh, I love the feather particles. Man, those are some shitty birds.
Okay, I'm missing. What's going on?
Oh, I thought that was Steve.
Somebody asked me what the operating system was for the bird.
Yeah.
The operating system.
And then I asked what the Wi-Fi
For the
password
government
was.
drone.
So you're making this? You're making these birds a prefab? Oh, are they all
Yeah.
skinned
Yeah.
meshes, or are they like what are they? What are they?
PC box.
So it is basically a skinned mesh renderer. It's got like an idle, a takeoff, and a landing animation. There are certain birds that whenever you disturb them, they jump up, fly around in a loop, and then land back down right where they were. There's another bird like on that perch, on that post over there at the stairs. If you bother it, it flies way over there to the corner of this like wall piece on the corner. And then if you run back over there and disturb it, it'll fly back over to the post. So there's just point A, point B. There's another one where if you go up the stairs, birds from that balcony will fly from that balcony over to where you are. And if you go back over to that balcony, they'll fly back over to where you are again, activating the same trigger. I think there's another fourth one Oh no, yeah. So one's just a simple like individual bird, another is a group of birds, and it's just the same looping and whatnot.
No.
They're controlled by animation states and constraints. So whenever we disturb the birds, it is a simple state that triggers from idle to fly. It goes from point A constraint to point B constraint, which is attached to a rotating sphere. And that seems on its flight path. That's what does the loop, is the sphere rotating the constraint that it's attached to. And then at a certain time, it just has an exit time to go back to where it was.
Nice.
And that can be easily edited, moved around. You can grow or shrink the sphere. You can change the different set times and the state animators and whatnot. Yeah, it should be relatively simple. There's not. I don't want to be like, oh yeah, it should be a self-explanatory, and then it's just like, but it's like you literally just download it, slap it down. It should be okay.
Yeah.
But if anything's wrong, then anybody can reach out and tell me otherwise.
Yeah. Oh, okay. That explains one of the behaviors I saw, which is you probably have called update transform. So if I back up to the birds,
knew it was your power.
And they fly and they fly away. They didn't. Do those not fly away? Oh, they don't.
These are actually just idle. Yeah, these are just idle. They just stay there.
Yeah.
Not every bird.
So I saw a bird
bothered,
flying
so
in
it's
sit mode, and that's probably because I disturbed it without looking at it.
Maybe. There could be something else going on, but it's just a simple trigger box collider that you're activating, then it just like jumps.
Here, let me see if I can recreate it. Oh, I didn't even see them leave.
So everyone's bird is their own on their own screen. But yeah,
I did a pretty good job. Yeah, I just saw one.
They're supposed to.
But make you nervous. Hopefully this prefab goes out. More people use it.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys.
That's worrying. Yeah. Oh, we got more birds.
Hey, I don't remember putting that bird there. Where did it come from?
Oh, the hawk doesn't fly.
No, the hawk. I wanted to do the eagle one, but I might have to do another world or whatever. I was thinking about doing a pigeon, an eagle, a crow, and a parrot, because I imagine it's like basically, the tower map that I was showing a little bit earlier, right, where people can climb the tower and whatnot. On top of the tower now is an Assassin's Creed meme where if you reach the top, there's a synchronization music that happens. Like, wherever you're top, your synchronization, you get the view of the map and whatnot. And it's got the music, and it's really atmospheric. I wanted to have an eagle at the top of the tower so that whenever you activate the trigger box, the eagle also takes off, flies around this loop, and then, like, it just kind of does a continuous loop until you leave the area. That's what kind of inspired me in order to do like the pigeons and whatnot.
Oh my God.
Because then whenever you jump off the ledge, it disturbs birds and then they fly away, and it's like most action movies or whatever the fuck, and it's all cinematic and all that shit. I just wanted to, like, as I was working on this, it's like, it'd be really decent to just kind of throw it down as a free prefab that anybody can use, because there's not a whole lot of birds anywhere. It'd just be something that you could just download and slap in, and it's not that big of a deal. And it just,
Oh yeah, no, I love it.
Yeah,
I love it.
exactly,
Anything to give worlds
exactly.
more life and stuff. Did you ever see my very old Chaos Castle Cove map?
The capsule code?
No, okay. So I had a
Yes, castle, yes.
Castle Cove, right? And so like I had this seagull in it, and if you poked it, it would caw. If you poked it again, it would caw again. If you poked it a third time, it would summon a bunch of seagulls to fly around and poop on you.
Nice. I was thinking about doing something with this avatar, like this morning when I was trying to fix it and whatnot. I wanted this avatar to be able to actually like move around, and then the bird would like hop off my head, and then have a dynamic fizzbone chain to bring it back to the head, and then have contacts into a receiver to activate the animation. I couldn't get that working because there are two different hierarchies in bones, and it's already animated, and I didn't want to redo all the variables to fix that. So it's like I didn't get to do that. But somebody gave me the idea of like activating a activating a toggle so I could send an army of birds from like behind me, like forward, or having a player tracker so I could like tag somebody. It's like tag, and then it's like an army of birds or just a squadron or whatever just like follows you around and you can't escape the birds. They'd just be on a dynamic chain just following you wherever you go.
I'm just reminded of, what is it, the Cuckoos from Legend of Zelda?
Yep. Yeah,
Just all
exactly.
attacking about one person.
Yeah, pretty.
Or Bioshock Infinite. There was a...
I thought I had just put streamer mode on. Hold on.
Yes, that would be amazing.
I mean, that's essentially what you do. You just kind of ha and then just come out of nowhere.
But yeah, there should be something cool to help people out with trying to liven up their worlds and whatnot. But I was thinking about doing Crow and Parrot because I feel like with Halloween and other people wanting to do more darker type of themed maps, a pigeon wouldn't be all that like it wouldn't be like all that good to have like pigeons, but it would be better to have crows for that situation. And so it's like you just do the same thing. I was thinking about making a more complex version of the pigeon from point A to point B, so it can go from point A to point B to point C to point D, so on and so forth. So where you can have different constraints. Yeah, so it either leads you or it follows you around. And that way it's like you're hitting. Yeah. And so it's like it just be that extra sense of ominous feeling that.
Oh, that's so good! Like you can have all of
sure.
these perch areas in the map, and then you just find the closest one to the player at any given time, and the crow flies to it. Oh, that's such a good idea!
Exactly.
Oh, that would be so creepy,
like,
and especially if you didn't know that was a thing, and it was just very subtle. And once you start to notice it, it just freaks you out. Oh my god.
Yes, just a little bit extra atmosphere, and so it's like it's something that's a lot easier to tackle in comparison to something that's on the ground and you have to do nav mesh and whatnot. This doesn't require any nav mesh. It's just box collider constraints, and then you just mess with the sphere that controls the flat path if you have one.
It would fly through buildings and stuff, though, right?
If you allow it. So the one over here, like with the two in the middle on that post, if you disturb them, they'll actually fly through the buildings. But that's because I was too lazy to like care about editing that at that point. This was very last minute. I basically made this world in like a week and a half, I think.
Wait, Cyan, does Unity have any kind of 3D nav mesh capabilities for flight? Is there anything like that?
I don't believe so. I mean, if you want to do 3D nav mesh, you can just fake it.
How would you fake it?
So it doesn't have any built-in 3D. So invisible platforms. You just bake invisible platforms that have like things that can go up and down in certain areas.
Oh, right. Okay. Or you could do like we did in Froggy, right? Which is like everything is actually using the nav mesh. It's you're just adjusting the height in the animation or something.
Yeah. Well, I mean, so also, like, I assume if you actually wanted to do a 3D one, you'd like use the nav mesh just as a target point, but not actually the thing that, you know, the location of where the bird is.
Yeah.
Like I said, I want to have a pigeon, eagle.
You have your style kind of stuck on in case you didn't know.
Do a lot of pirate stuff, and they want to have like a parrot on their shoulder.
Just happy.
Because when you have the HUD or whatever, it doesn't tell you. What was it?
I said you're just happy.
It's just funny to have something on your avatar.
The new the new menu or whatever. When you put your HUD on minimum, it doesn't show you the gesture toggle, which is kind of
yeah,
like,
I should. Do I even have my gestures on?
However, I wasn't able to figure that out and do it how I
Options.
wanted.
I do have gestures on. Okay.
So I don't know how I'm going to be able to do that as an avatar prefab like the follower. It should be simple.
I'm getting not very good frames here. Is that in main menu?
Fucking variables for every single bone.
It's in the main menu. You have to go to the gear icon user interface.
Okay.
And I don't want people to expect to be able to do that themselves because that's just
so first I have to have that verbose HUD mode active. No, that's not.
Sender receiver.
Is the expressions one in the main menu?
Yeah,
I can't find it. Oh, by the way,
there's no mention of expression. It's just verbose or minimal. Well, minimal doesn't show it.
I found a bug with when sometimes when I open my quick menu, tracking an IK does not update with all the full body options. I have to expand collapse and expand it again in order to see like the lock head.
It's parent constraint to the thing, and then it does the thing, but
make sure there's
the physics get fucked.
Find if there's a canny.
I know there's so many canny stuff that I want to do. Just have to sit down and do it.
Weird. I don't know how to figure it out.
Okay, I don't see.
I mean, one of the little things that I noticed is just so it'll never say what is it called, like gesture toggle. You just have to be on verbose to see it. I think.
Oh, really?
That's a feedback option. I wish they would show what specifically would be in.
Like I have it on the root.
Oh, is that it's not in the quick menu anymore? Because like I don't have it at all, even on verbose. I didn't have it.
Yeah,
Wait, for what?
You need to turn it off and on to reset the fizzbone, Eric.
Oh, I got
It's
it.
got to reset it when you change position.
Yeah, just putting on HUD on verbose versus minimum like shows gesture toggle or not.
It does.
Place it down again and then like turn it on.
Okay. Oh, also, do you have do you have Avatar
gonna-
Touch and Interact Haptics and UI Haptics all on? Avatar Touch is crazy. It's mesh based.
I guess it would have to be a toggle in that instance,
Yeah.
because at the moment it's
Yeah.
like what I
don't know where that setting is, so if it's on my default, sure.
But the
Yeah.
whole point was
Do you,
to
if your
basically have a
your
context in
controllers
the
are dying
receiver
fast
where
though,
if
that would
you
be why.
personally move, not activating
Okay,
a
let me
toggle
see
or
if I can
anything.
find the
It's
verbose
like if
HUD
you
mode. I'll turn that it back on.
personally
Okay.
move, the bird
Oof.
jumps up, changes states of animation, and then lands back down. But that requires the contact sender and receiver to be able to communicate, which is in between the avatar and the bird's
Verbose.
hierarchy. Because it's not in the same hierarchy, it wasn't communicating.
I don't know what HUD
And that's something that I'm
smoothing
struggling
Yeah.
with.
Well, instead of doing contacts under receipt, if you're just tracking like
Show
jumping up and down the screen,
I want some
you
portals.
have to velocity values, and that's why it's they're just sync parameters. Or not sync.
Okay, I really need to go through all of these at some point. This is
But no, yeah.
very cool.
That's something I figure out another time. But
Yeah. No, that does sound
No, I don't see my faces. I do not see my faces.
Okay.
I'm gonna do like more stuff with
I think that's a bug. I think if you had it on before, it shows, and I didn't have it on before, and I can't turn it on anymore. Is someone on the beta? Can you tell me where to find the whether or not you can see your faces on the beta? I can't find that toggle anymore.
Oh, like gesture icons?
Yeah.
Or like the face mirror? Oh, gesture icons, they're in the quick menu under accessibility.
Are they?
Yeah.
Accessibility, comfort mode, slider snapping, gesture icons. There it is. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
I have the C. All right, cool. Except now I don't remember what my I don't remember what my gestures do. I think thumbs up is smile, which is like on apparently all the time.
Yeah, you can turn on the face mirror if you want. If you just want to see.
I know. I don't like. Honestly, I don't care. Like, I. That's one of the reasons I specifically made this avatar's faces. Like, none of them are too extreme, so that I'm never making weird faces. But I may smile too much. That's all right. Okay, let's go. Let's go play with the birds.
Feels like it.
Boo!
I'm
Boo! Where'd they go? Okay, and that one goes over there. Boo! I'm gonna race him. Race. Race. There, I saw him sitting again.
So,
No frames when I do this.
but she needs an avatar, and I don't know.
Ah, he's still faster than me. Ah! I can beat him. I can beat him.
We're getting into politics, you know.
Okay, I can't handle the frames are too low doing that.
It's a bit much to handle. That's kind of why like I haven't been engaging with your side as much because I'm in here. I find people
she has.
communities and do things like that. For me, it's like I gotta focus on what I'm working on. I don't want to. I wish I could spend all my time in here, but I have to.
All right. Oh, geez, just moving around. Oh, my frames. Oh boy, what happened? What's happening over here? My CPU is spiking.
Same over here.
I love this. This is such a great idea for. Those don't move. I'm gonna go bug these guys. Hey guys.
It's got a whole like intro animation and grass and like it's all audio link enabled and modified shader.
Hi. But yeah, I did that on purpose. Like I set it to the UI menu, which doesn't show up in the stream cameras. Obviously, it still shows up on normal ones. Because like there are people complaining about like, oh, we left on the notifications for people taking screenshots, and it's like, well, do we want that just in every screenshot? That's fair. Okay.
I prefer them not on the stream camera. So yay. Okay, we're here. We respawned.
So Squid's the only person I think that hasn't on there. Oh, okay. Do you wanna? Wait, where's UnityTrap
They're
Yeah,
It's easy.
they're
It's nice because we got this uploader that just
somewhere.
does VRChat stuff with
Okay.
Oh, hi, Pax.
In real life, why do I want them in the work?
This sound is making me
It's not
kind of
Halloween yet,
anxious.
is it?
The pigeon sound makes you anxious?
I don't have any sound. From what game is it? I don't recognize.
I mean, there's a lot of pigeon sounds, so I can understand it.
I was on like
Making you
10%
anxious?
World audio. Never even
Where's my...
Oh, you know what? I bet.
UnityTrap still here?
Yeah, they may not have made it in.
No, I saw them.
No, they're
Oh.
there. They're
Oh,
they're right
that's
up
why.
there.
I'm not looking up.
Not portal.
Oh.
Why am I dropping portal there? Okay, so before you say anything, Unity, we just want to say one thing first. Anyone who's on the list for showing a world, just please have a link ready. Just in case. We'll try to drop a portal, but if it doesn't work, then everyone needs to have a link to their world ready so we can post it. And then just post it and mention us in the Discord. And we can, or send it to us in DM. But yeah. Wanna say anything about your world?
Alright, so I showcased 2 months ago. I've updated the world a lot. And I've removed the mirror for the community meetup so that doesn't lag anybody. That's all I have to say. Oh, and
Alright, let's clap.
dude, I still don't know if the music is copyrighted, so go in with it turned off. Just go in your settings, turn off music.
Don't need the link.
I'm just gonna play my own. Throw the mic.
With blackjack.
Hopefully we can have some portals which will stay put now. I don't think I'll get one. What?
We do it so often now that it's not a big deal.
No, I feel amazing. I need to go to bed like pretty soon though. I'll take some melatonin.
Link ready for your world if you
Oh, you know what?
Get a link ready.
Look over here, I have like 5 friends.
So I'm not in the Discord the chat,
It's been really, I don't know why.
I'm probably gonna have to join.
Why was I on none? Why was I on no safety? No wonder I'm lagging so bad.
They're probably gonna put it there.
Is it USD that it's like the...
Hey, Cyan.
Hi.
Did your safety settings reset to none?
You'll get better frames.
Shouldn't have.
Mine did.
Trying to find where is
Oh,
safety settings.
in quick menu
No, I'm still
safety
on
settings.
custom.
Oh, weird.
Oh wait, where does?
Open
where's
quick menu, rocket, go to safety. Mine had reset to none.
No, mine's still custom. But I mean, I was looking at it the other day, so I don't know if it actually reset. But like, I never use none. Like, I'm always on custom.
Well, what's weird is, so I was on a different account yesterday. It had been reset to none, and so I changed that to custom. And then I logged in today, and I'm never on none. Last time I was on this account was on FFF, and that would have been on custom. So, yeah,
Not
weird.
sure what that is, but like, maybe worth making a bug.
Yeah, I should like start just taking notes of weird beta things that I noticed. So,
Are you the open beta?
log in, check.
Fionna?
Yes.
Safety.
Because the
Yes.
behavior is different now. You have
It's
to press a button
not,
to apply.
bound to a
I was
specific
confused by that
instance,
earlier.
just links
You have
to
to
the
press a
world.
button to apply your save.
Not to a specific
Wait, really?
instance.
Wait, hold on. Let me see.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Isn't it?
Safety. No, you should just hit a tab. Oh, you have to hit use this. Oh, current shield level. Use the shield level. Oh, you know what? I think it's when you open up the menu, it was selecting none. It wasn't telling you what you were on. That is not good UI. Okay. Oh, weird.
One of you two and whoever's next go back to the
It used to be that you were
They dropped the portal there.
Yeah, you would just change the tab and it would apply immediately.
Yeah, no, you're right. That's exactly what's happening, and I think I was misreading it because when I went back to look at that menu.
I mean, that was like a while back.
So if I go back to look at that menu, and it was showing me the none tab, but it wasn't what I was on. And normally that should never happen, right? So you should never be seeing something that you're not on, because if you do it says use the shield level.
Yeah.
But then you think you're on it. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, instance link.
Take it back if you leave the menu.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
The one in Meetup info, apparently.
Meetup info.
The one in Meetup info.
Legacy Avatar Hub. Oh goodness. Invite me. Alright, I'm going. I'm spiked. Ow! Do those show up on stream? Let's see. They do. They do show up on stream. Also, mic icon and mirror.
But I never saw this part.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember from the old UI explanation video.
Oh, black. Yeah, I made it back in.
The original hub for this?
Alright.
They stole my spot before. Unbelievable. Disgusting. I'm back on. I had to like search it on the instance tab.
Oh, but yeah, let's not say
knows how to use the UI.
Rolling particles.
They better. That would be kind of bad if they didn't. Yeah. But they're probably just not gonna push it until like it's actually live.
Yeah. And who knows when this will actually go live?
Hello there.
I made it.
Adam and Liam. Do I have? AJ, Adam, and Liam. I don't know that I know which ones those are.
Yeah, no, I saw you in front of me last night. I saw your post.
Unfortunately, if we all try these, it's gonna take us a while.
Yeah. Try them all? I mean, these.
No, I mean.
The avatars are in the menu, which is these are now cross compatible.
No, I mean like if everyone's like gonna be trying them, it's gonna lag us out.
Oh yeah, that's it.
It is funny how the memories that just looking at these brings back.
I'm thinking I'm going to have a new approach for showing myself.
Frank.
I suppose I have more memory. Yeah, I was gonna say Frank.
Yeah. Because it was in Frank we used UnityChan, one of these, that Skelly guy, that surfer guy, Claire. Where's Claire? Where's Claire?
This alien dude.
Oh yeah, alien dude.
Obviously, Nikkei and Chris. Xbot, Ybot.
Oh, there's Claire. She's right there. Yeah. Actually, do we use both of those or just one of them? I don't remember. I think
Which? X and Ybot? Yes.
Do we use both? Oh, like transparent font?
The sort of idea, suggestion, whatever you want to call it, on the portal thing, because when people started leaving the other worlds, I was able to drop the portal fine. I'm not sure exactly left before I was able to drop it fine, but after a couple people left, I dropped the portal and it was there fine. But then Skull came and said that it might be that there's a client or a user that's been on for too long, and they're now throwing errors, and that's what's causing the problem.
Is that possible?
Say, hey, okay, which one of you in here needs to touch grass the most? Please restart.
Which one of us?
I mean, it could be a valid thing though, because anyone can take ownership over a portal. So.
Well, yeah. But that's an interesting bug if that is a bug. So, either way, we need to submit theories for candies.
Oh, I can ask though once we gather up everyone. Just ask if someone's been on here for longer than 12 hours.
Please restart. I wonder if that would actually cause it. Because I don't know like when the floating point error happens. But yeah. If you're on VRChat for too long, like Unity's time variable might be like low precision because like it's too big. Yeah. Okay, that's like that's one theory.
Just have VRChat give you a little hey, go to bed. Please restart.
That actually might be something interesting for like starting if this is a real bug or whatever. Like tell everybody to restart the client before joining the meetup. But like I don't know, it seems kind of hard to like.
Yeah, I mean,
I can't imagine that's something that happens.
Build it in, right? Like if you had a launcher, you could launch the game like between so many worlds or after so much time. Just relaunch the game, right? I guess.
I mean, I don't see why VRChat would actually build that themselves, but we can make a notification if we just see like users like Unity's real time is some very large number, and we can just be like, you should probably restart. But I don't know if you want to plug that into it.
Nothing wrong with just airing the idea out there, like when we gather it before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, I guess anyone who's been on for a long time.
Although, to be fair, that is, like, there are games that will give you notifications for sort of health and safety. You've been on for quite a while. Consider, taking a break.
I'm just reminded of one of the 30s every, like, 30 minutes.
Now you
can break the rest of your eyes.
Have a real conundrum. Did they invent that because they had a memory leak in their game?
They're pretending.
People think that. Conundrum.
No, that's literally what we're talking about, right? It's like, oh, there's a bug that would be fixed by you, like, re-logging in every 12 hours, but you just pretend it's for the user's own good. Oh.
Sorry, my brain went there.
No, that's yeah, exactly. All right, is there more in this map that we can get to? Yeah.
Yeah, this so much nostalgia. Wait, are people? Which avatar did I use? I used this
Of course
one,
they're up there.
And the first person I ever saw in full body was in a Nikkei.
Makes sense. That would explain why they were in a Nikkei. Yeah.
On my Steam. Yeah, the only one that works properly.
It's funny how like of all of these avatars, if you look at all of these avatars, Nikkei is the one that everyone gravitated to, as he was sort of one of the best looking avatars of this bunch.
You can watch it on
Or Chris, I guess.
Not quite human, not quite not human. Also, but in Japan, these two got a lot of play.
Really?
Wasn't there like a meme or something before that though?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
You've seen the poster.
But also like Nikkei was thinner.
Lady.
Nikkei was really thin, and then and Chris was more muscular.
Or somebody told me about. It was just
it was. It's nuts. It's a complete like community that just make these bizarre videos.
Set. There's a few avatars from the old days that are not present, but it'd be hard to get everything.
Yeah. I'm trying to see like what else was. What else? Oh, UnityChan also. So
he's here? Oh,
yeah, he's there. UnityChan was pretty popular, like being the only actual like anime one.
Well, Vika-chan was like, I mean, if you like, so there's a connection because the creator of the Unity Tune Shader is a VRChat player.
I think
the UnityChan Tune Shader is also like Unity's Tune Shader is based on UnityChan Tune Shader, and there was a huge connection.
Okay, I do not remember that guy. I never saw that guy.
Yeah, you know what? Honestly, I don't remember it either.
I would see people in that troll guy, and I would see people in the. I still see people in the leprechaun now and then. And then where's like the alien girl who was actually kind of attractive? Here, this one, was it her? Was it her?
Reenacting my life at Portland.
Yeah, I think her. She was really curvy, but she had no hair, so. That one also was pretty good. The sort of Lara Croft looking girl.
Oh, you grew.
Anthony's avatar keeps getting more and more complex. With like all of these weird shaders that read things from VRChat's API. I love it.
Compared to
I
before.
probably don't see it because it's probably not shown.
I like how Stein is just
In the corner there, he's got the VRChat population in real time as well as his frame rate.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just menus and stuff. At the meetup, I unshow everybody, so to save my frames.
Oh, understandable. Yeah, but no, every time I see them, they add something to this avatar that like does something cool. My favorite stat is the VRChat.
Oh!
I'm sorry, I'm not gonna.
Nostu, are you using Gogo Loco?
No.
Oh, okay. I cannot get Gogo Loco scale to work for me.
Like their avatar will turn to stone as their frame rate goes towards.
So you do it, and apparently you then like reset OSC.
Reset OSC. I don't even have OSC. How do you reset OSC?
You have to reload the avatar without resetting its settings on it.
Oh yeah, resetting.
Oh, we're talking about scaling.
Like.
We should probably.
Yeah, no, get quiet now. Okay, I just want to air an idea or something that came up. Is anyone here been on for longer than like 12 hours consecutively? Like they've not closed their client for like the last 12 hours.
I've been on an hour and 46 minutes.
That's someone
I'm just
are you serious on that?
idea and ask you to restart.
Wait, are you actually? Were you in the last two worlds?
Don't judge.
No, we're not judging. We're judging Unity's precision.
VR light here. Yeah, it's just were you in the last two worlds as well?
This is not to
No, I was
anyone.
not.
This is just
Okay, so then
just because
we're trying to like debug something. So like, okay, you're not part of this, or at least we don't.
Well,
we can clarify that's actually
I was
the
in
issue
the
now.
pigeon world. I was in the pigeon world.
But yeah. Anyway, the next one is Garloid.
We're just trying to figure out like a bug that was one idea somebody proposed.
Bex, where are you?
I'm floating on the
floating point precision.
Somebody should actually look up what like, duration that is.
Who are we looking for?
Where is he?
Garloid? They were a short avatar when I remember.
Maybe he
meet
pressed
discussion?
Yeah, he uses a con. Check the player list.
Yeah, he's.
I don't see him.
I don't see him in the player list.
By socials.
We can always ask him to ping as well.
We'll go to. In the meantime, then, Jessien, you're up next.
Oh, yes.
Garloid
Yes.
is now in his own Garloid hideout. I see. Okay.
Yeah, he probably
Yeah, they might not be able to join back in then if they're. I'll sort
makes
you out for the
sense.
next one.
Makes sense.
Jessien, you want to say anything about your world before we?
Probably stand on the table.
Yeah, but
You can't stand on the table.
it doesn't have a
sorry. Me assuming.
It's a big table.
Okay.
No comments. Fuck you.
The next world I'm going to show with you guys is like a museum, but it doesn't contain so much artworks now. But I'm just trying to figure out how do you guys like this kind of style of the space. And I also have some strange space or strange rooms here, so maybe you can find them out. And I'm really interested in how you guys figure out the way and find your favorite rooms like this. And now should I try to open a portal or just send a link in the Discord? Or...
Send,
I would say both.
Yeah.
Okay. Send a link to Fax and then try to drop a portal, and then we can, like, if it fails, we can just instantly ping everybody.
No, maybe drop a portal first, because the instance is not the same that is being dropped for the link.
No, but if the portal disappears, it doesn't matter though. No, I'll just create a new one.
It would just be a timing thing, not like the...
Okay, yeah, so don't...
Okay, everybody, please gather towards... Not that side, gather over here towards the table. Table.
We need to drop a portal in a symmetrical fashion.
Shit, wrong side. Oh, now I'm under the table. Like perfectly for me.
Perfectly.
It feels like this table is made for me.
Oh, that didn't even last a second.
You need to unlock the.
Yeah,
you need to unlock the portal. You need to unlock it. It's locked.
Make sure you hit the unlock.
Yeah.
No, so when someone
it worked.
when someone drops a unlocked portal, you see it for 1 frame, or a locked portal, you see it for 1 frame.
Wow.
So I saw it for 1 frame.
Well, I saw it the entire time. It didn't disappear on my end.
Okay. Yeah, I guess that's also why you got to
It disappeared at my end as well.
Yeah. I was more just saying, like, they did die, like, on the previous 2 worlds.
Yeah.
Clicked on a chair.
What the fuck is world owner access.
Okay.
Appears to be working. There's somebody in it.
Come on.
I'm waiting for the portal shader.
It's public. Oh boy.
Oh my god.
The panda
Shader killed it.
What the hell?
Okay, it was right there. Racer dragging us. There was a couple people that got in there.
They all died. I mean, it showed like 9 on my end, but do we want that to be like...
Gabe, I'm just gonna say
Do we want everybody to go in?
We're still in here. We're still 45 in here.
They've disappeared the portal though.
Yeah.
Sosik died too.
So that means like 30 people got in.
If 30 people got in, then yeah.
See, this is why you need a
Should be going to the same instance though, right?
Yeah, man.
Who am I supposed to
Yeah, I can
join
join it.
Dude, you're wrong.
Like 20
You're
people.
wrong.
There's a public instant, they just need to search for
Guys.
Okay.
Just because of
Move away. Wait, please.
Oh.
There it is.
It might be cooking.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and I landed the bottom.
7 people managed to get in it.
Okay.
So, all right, let's go.
No, yeah, well, it's a.
All right, here we go.
Did I make it?
Just not open beta or anything, I guess.
Oh.
Currently there's 400. Yeah, you go. 400. I was gonna say like with the portal dropper, it was like use trigger to place. Okay, why isn't it working? Left trigger only.
Oh.
Yep.
Interesting.
So it's like that was not clear to me.
So what's funny is I have not even tried the feature yet, and I created a portal preventer. So I didn't realize it was in the open beta. I thought it wasn't even ready yet, so I didn't even know that we could until I was looking
it's
through
open
the
beta. You can test it now.
Yeah, yeah. I will test it now.
Yeah, it's also
a good thing I got that ready just in
default.
time. Okay, well let's see. I'm gonna choose English since I can speak English and I cannot speak the other language. Oh, I thought it was gonna be about hypnosis. Okay. Ooh, look at that big pretty thing.
Yeah, we were in.
That's a neat effect. I like it.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, that's the mirror. Hello, mirror.
Why are you in the floor?
Look at this world. I like this. I keep hearing this like deep bump sound. I'm assuming that's part of the world being freaky. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Man, this is... Click the ring button with the light bulb logo. You can turn the mirror on and off. Okay.
Oh.
Ooh, look at that!
I also noticed you have more delay
5 stairways.
Sometimes you just found the mirror, and now you're walking up the stairs.
Okay, I have to say, this should be the way of VR spiral stairs. We don't actually need steps. Smooth ramps are nice. I guess they don't really fit into every
Are
architectural
you saying
thing.
that from visual only, or are you
Ooh.
talking about like actual collider? Wait, is this part of an? Oh,
Is this a shader? Or is this
I don't know what it is. My first impression was like, is somebody playing Fruit Ninja, and then it's just like, wait, what's going on?
Is it an animation or just sucking that in? I mean, colliders, yes, but also the thing is, like, you know, in VR, you don't have to rely on code. You can just have your stairs go 45-degree angles if you want. It's fine.
Yep. So. Yeah.
Oh, we got some more.
Oh, so it's coming.
Oh, Cyan, it's a machine. It's a looping machine.
It's like pipes and stuff.
It is. It is playing Fruit Ninja. So this one breaks it. It sucks it, and
it puts 2 of them over there.
Yeah.
Wait, it's missing one every time.
Wait. Okay. Here, 3 pieces.
Interesting.
3 pieces. Yeah,
Oh,
no,
is there only
3
3?
pieces. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, it's not the
that
same.
one's
I
3,
saw.
that
I
one's
saw
3,
them.
That one's 2.
Did I get them out of sync?
For me. That's funny.
Wait, it's not a looping animation. Yeah, because they're different every time.
No.
He mainly works on
Fiona.
Oh, the radio menu thing?
One of them is literally stuck back here.
No. Oh no, they're not.
Yeah, I see that too.
Are they being instantiated and destroyed?
I'm gonna say no. They're probably being reused because for me, when they drop, only 2 of them drop because the last one's over here.
I see.
That works on avatars.
Which is funny.
They can show you.
Seeing it that way.
Oh, this is the bump I've been hearing.
And it's
I mean, it's also the thing that causes this to go down.
So we need to stand really uncomfortably close. In the small menu.
Backroom entrance? Why is there a mirror? Oh God! Normally I can hear. I can handle mirrors. It's yellow.
Well, we're trapped here. We're trapped here now.
Yeah. Oh no, we're trapped in the back.
Is a bit laggy by default anyway.
I see.
Turn this up. Yeah, everyone. There you go.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there's another drop.
Yeah. And you can like.
Ah!
I enjoy another mirror. Why are there so many mirrors? Oh my God.
Where'd this take us?
Oh, yeah,
Where am I?
Over here. Yeah, there's Japanese, so we went to the
Oh.
Japanese
I'm
side.
pretty sure that's Chinese, but I don't actually know.
I think that teleport took us to the wrong side.
Okay, so I guess it was.
Well, no, it's a shortcut.
Oh, but it just changed. Did it change the language? It changed the language for us.
Each side of the map is a different language.
One of them is yes. One
Well-
of them is Chinese. Another one is English.
Okay, so the shortcut took us to the Chinese side. If there's actually a different side, or is it just you go in? Is it? Are we
It's
on
just
this?
the other side of the world.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
it's mirrored, but with languages different.
I see.
Can you jump through this?
Yeah, we're gonna see the mystical juice on top of the black hole.
Mystical juice. It's got the juice.
I want to sip the event horizon. Can you just sign me up?
What does this say?
I'm going to assume that this thing is local.
And my frame just drops.
No touchy.
Text. Prime VRChat. What text?
Okay, what about this one over here? Oops.
I can't read it.
Oh, I can get through that.
It's a secret.
There's no way to
It did not affect my frames as much as I thought it would. Okay.
Behind it.
I should really make a canny about it.
Did it? There we go.
Something kind of tongue-like about the stairs.
I can see you, Catty. You cannot escape.
Like you said, he was in a different instance.
Last, next.
Overflow instance.
Oh, another mirror.
UnityTrap matches
that was amazing. That was so funny. Guy dropped a public instant. Some guy in an end.
There seems to be a walkway up top, or is that just like lights?
Oh, that was good. That was fantastic. Oh, that's made my night.
I like this place. I'm gonna add this to my favorites for later. How do you favorite a world these days? I don't. Okay. All right. Worlds. No. How do I find the world I'm in right now? How do I find the world I'm in right now in this menu? No. Well, there's always a quick menu. Nope.
Okay, it was here in the old menu. Where is it now?
This one.
To look at it as if you just opened the game for the first time and you just look at it.
There it is.
Then it makes sense. It was the
Add
old
to
menu.
playlist. Add that to my
Like the new
playlist.
all the things you just said, all they're in the settings tab and the right thing on the left. You know?
I don't see it right now because the avatar was hidden when they did it.
I'm having really bad frames. I haven't restarted my computer in a hot minute, so probably not great on that front. It's interesting, all the one-way glass makes it feel like a very open area, but you can't actually get anywhere. Are we going somewhere?
Wipe the sweat off and then just cycle through my fingers.
Yeah, I thought it was part of the world. I think I saw what you were talking about earlier. It's just like a small little crack in the wall. I was like, huh,
Exactly. We can place, I think, two of them.
And I have like I think only on the beta though, right? Yeah, no, it doesn't make sense enough.
Well, I haven't done that yet because I wanted to get the beta.
We get sucked into this singularity.
Why does it keep saying Faxmar created a portal? Is he just testing it out?
Master Shulker.
Trying to load a new one because I can't actually get it in here.
Can I jump?
Oh, yeah, that's what was going on before.
Yeah, one of the updates.
Yeah,
It was definitely not a full issue. I think
nice.
I spammed the join button, science profile.
To handle it, it's like
issue on the where you couldn't get into full instances.
So, may I send the key to you after this meetup?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, because as I was saying, right now in the open beta last time I checked 2 days ago, there were 450 posts on it. Probably more now. So I have.
I've seen
we'll
like
see how
2
many
or
they
3
try to
people
fix.
like just constantly posting.
There isn't really.
Yeah, there's so many like minor issues with it.
It's everywhere. Be careful.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
It's funny, like you can hear people having a discussion, but then like how do you actually join them? It's like a puzzle. Here it is. Found them.
Put the same
I wonder if there's a way
settings when I made the new.
Yeah,
one.
is there a way to duplicate
figure
that?
out? There is. I just kind of.
Oh,
It's also.
this guy out there.
It depends if you want to run on hardware on the NVINC settings, or if you're doing software on your CPU, you can always use VRChat's new core FND option. So like VRChat and OBS are on different cores.
Watch them behind the door or behind the wall.
No, it's funny if they fall
Even though I don't know how
down.
useful that'd be for Intel. I know it's good to do that on Ryzen. I'm not sure about Intel.
Yeah, I'll mess with it more.
Or at least
I've only heard of
non-12th
it
gen
for
chips.
Ryzen.
They're on-
Where you get
Yeah, well, on 12th gen chips you have to do it because Windows 11 is bad at making sure things actually use performance cores instead of the efficiency core.
It's bad.
Whichever one of the
So,
cores
yeah,
it has are more
after-
powerful. It just doesn't use them sometimes.
When we go to the networking, are you still gonna be on for a little bit?
I learned like
Today, hopefully, yes.
Okay.
Because all the previous ones I couldn't even make it into the networking, so.
I really designed a
Well, probably if you do, I'll probably have you make it unlisted again, and I'm gonna
mess with my
Okay.
video settings to see how.
I got my master degree.
So I can get it
always
back to how
made some VR
that Twitch one is.
So my work.
Yeah. Anthony just outside the window.
Oh. Have you had to learn Blender just to get them into like games, or did you use them when you were like studying architecture?
Well,
Yeah, it's in games.
Let's follow him.
So I just see Faxnor creating portals. I assume he's testing it out.
Them a lot online.
That's what I assumed. But wait, where is he doing? Oh wait, are you seeing the like notifications for that?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah, you can turn on board
That's fine.
notifications.
I have that one disabled.
Yeah, so I have on the verbose I have the portal notifications on. But but is this a bug? It's just sitting there. How long does those notifications last?
Oh yeah, no, that's a bug.
Somebody said
They
there
get
was a bug.
stuck.
Nice. Okay.
It hasn't happened to
no,
me yet,
there's
but I've seen
450 reports on the canny right now for the main menu.
Oh, I mean, okay, that's not surprising. It's doing a lot, right? And
Yeah,
so
that's
I would
not-
hope that there would be a lot of bug
No, I'm
reports.
glad there's so many reports.
Yeah.
I hope this stays in beta for like at least a month.
Slider
We'll
randomly.
see.
Oh shit! The volume
Wait,
slider.
if you would
randomly
say
changing has
that-
happened a couple times.
Yes, that like I've had the voices slider just like go to 0, and I'm like, why can't
Oh,
I hear
yeah.
anybody? And it's because the voices slider for some
Master
reason went to
volume
0.
Went 125. I'm like,
What if it has navigation on?
That's probably what it is, Cyan.
Oh,
Literally. It's probably what it is.
That could be it.
Well, it depends on if they're actually using Unity UI. Oh, I made the joke of like in Worlds, if you see a slider and you touch it and then walk away, if they have the navigation setting on, it like continues messing with the slider because of your joystick.
Yeah, I know
I've had
like
it
they talk
happen
about
to
they're using
me in the main
CSS for the
menu.
styling. So they're not using base Unity UI. They either be using UI elements or something else that uses CSS.
I'm pretty sure UI Elements is not available in runtime in 2019, but I don't know. I haven't actually
Yeah,
checked.
I thought it was, but I have no idea. Also because I only remember from back in 2019 when Lavender was experimenting with it. I don't know if it ever made it to the LTS version.
Later, I send a friend's request to your VR chat. So, did you?
Let's see, it's
maybe you can check it out
5:20.
later.
We still got time to kill.
There's
How
two
many
more
people
worlds,
we
and the
have
person-
left?
One of them's right there. Two more.
See you later.
I think
Garloid's over there. I'm not
Yeah.
sure where tummy time is. Checking all the
Yeah,
stream
Gar-
views and seeing if anybody's in view.
Let's see, are they in?
It's quite interesting to have like 5 perspectives here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well,
There's
my
no.
own is concluded in that.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
if you open up your
I'm
main
not
menu
streaming, just my own view.
and you see the "You are here," what do you guys
Okay.
see? It says I'm in the community meetup.
Where is that?
like where?
Friend locations.
Oh, in like
You are here.
locations. Yeah,
I saw that.
For
It
la-
did.
it
Then
saves it
updated.
last time you open it, but like if you go to online friends and back to friend locations, then it updates it. It doesn't update it on menu open. It only updates it on like changing tabs.
Another canny. There you go.
The Coop is just re-up
Yeah.
all his worlds.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Since I noticed like recently updated favorites, like Devouring was in there.
Oh, look who's
think
okay. Some people just go and like jiggle the mouse on their worlds every so often.
The equivalent.
Yeah. So sorry, you're looking for tummy time. They are not in the world.
No, we're not looking for them right now.
Oh.
They used down the ramp.
Yeah, you're next.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
You were just in the last one.
I had that weird failing to cache 58 byte download loop issue that's been happening since the authentication update.
Oh,
I've fixed
that
it now.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the way I had to get Nosho to help me. I had to activate one of my. I had to deactivate something called 6 in my networking.
Oh, basically, I
That fixed it
think
for
it's
me.
happening every time my dynamic IP updates. But the new authentication layer they put in the last major update, or well, minor update, should I say, it's just not allowing things to download to the cache until you clear your user data. Curiously enough, so I had to clear my local user data and it fixed the issue.
Oh, damn! I wish I knew that.
So anything cached will still load. Anything that isn't fails to download and just shows a 58 byte downloading bar, then fails and loops over and over again.
Wait, is that the same thing that you were saying Lucifer had?
Yeah, and then it eventually
I'm
kicks you
gonna set
back
a
to
camera
the
for it.
VRChat home hub. Yeah.
It may have been. I don't know.
Yeah, it tried
Lucifer
to load the
knew
home
about the
world, wasn't
authentication
my cache,
stuff.
and put me in the error one instead.
Oh yeah, I saw that with the big white screen. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll set a camera for it later.
Doing my head in last night.
Alright, I'm gonna turn off
I'll have to
all
remember
of
that
the
clear user data.
verbose.
Yeah, the local user data, if you clear that in the settings, it usually fixes the issue. I tried everything else I could think of. That's the only
Yeah,
thing.
I ended up going to the network settings on my PC and just deactivated one of the.
You'll notice you don't hear
the
Zelda
access
anymore
points.
because she's downstairs.
Yeah, no, IPv6 VRChat doesn't like for some reason.
Because, you know, the new place.
I did. So many people just end up disabling it.
You're right, I didn't hear it. Zelda
I'm also
would
responding.
always get her opinion in. Yeah.
Oh, even if you turn off turn off verbose, I still have Faxnor's created a portal. It's just permanently stuck there now. Nice.
Just a like collision with avatars, like when you respawn and then
Mergers.
spawns on top of you.
Well, no, I imagine that in Lavender, where like 40 people stuck in a small elevator, all constantly colliding. It was terrible.
Garloid, do you have the same thing?
Maybe this is why Rec Room and Horizon don't have
yeah,
any
go for it.
spawn. Because they've got collision.
Yeah.
No.
Everyone be quiet then, please, and we'll listen to Garloid over here. Quite small, but...
Somebody probably played with them. I'm in desktop.
We're all quiet.
I don't see them. Oh, there. I'll fix them for you.
Guys, okay, be quiet, please.
Okay, so this is not a technically impressive world. It's not something I've been working on for ages. This is something I threw together in 3.5 hours before the community meetup because I wanted to see how quickly I could go from scratch on something. So it's nice and scenic. I've made a little tribute to the Dojo scene from the new Matrix film, essentially. So I used that as a prompt, did all the modeling, texturing, everything about 3.5 hours before the event started. So. Because I've been messing around with procedural generation for terrain and things, so it was quite quick to make the terrain for it. So the bulk of the time was modelling the actual structure. Right. Shall I test the portal, or do you want the world link facts?
You can try to drop a portal, see if that works. If not, I need to
Sure. Alright, everybody come to this side of the lobby area.
You can also drop it down there. Kind of force it.
Just go over here.
Yeah,
Watch this be some kind of Unreal Engine 5.
What?
Cly, like that voxel look.
Crazy looking place.
No.
Ew.
Peekaboo.
Fun being an alien.
Can't make that joke. Fiona's too close to me.
Depends on the speech.
How dare you?
I gotta make a nutshell.
Well, no, it's not you. It's a stream thing. Hi, stream. Hi, stream.
Don't jinx it. Get in.
Get in there. Okay. Okay. It's so funny. Like, it's such a minor thing, the tracker indicators, and yet how much I hate it. I don't even have phantom sense, I guess, but it's like seeing these giant spiky things on my body is really uncomfortable.
Not working VR.
Damn.
Oh, that's not VR water, is it?
It's been a while since we've had this.
I've seen him work on it like...
Yeah.
Oh, you just walked through it.
Ow.
Pretty nice. Aside from the watershed, this is pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Also 3 hours, wasn't it?
Oh god.
Well, since we...
Oh god, my eyes, I can't look at the water.
At least it's fine on stream because it doesn't have to.
Yeah, I don't know what to do about this notification. Like, do I have to restart for that to go away?
Apparently, you should change.
Which one?
What notification? You're telling me the shadows.
Oh,
Shadows.
yeah, I have a stuck notification and I can't get it to go away. I turned off for both.
It's silence doing? Oh, I've seen people have it.
So Faxnor has created a portal forever. Forever on my screen, Faxnor has created a portal.
So this is silence. You should definitely
put a message
the one with me.
My eyes hurt.
My eyes hurt.
And then turn off the water. Fionna,
Just don't
look at that by trying to drop another portal. Fionna, try to drop another portal.
Oh.
When you drop it, it will go away. That's how I fixed it.
Do I have to have verbose on for myself?
I just close my right eye and
Don't know, but I try to drop it if you don't mind.
Okay, that's good. Here, first I'll go to user interface. I'll put portal notifications back on. I thought it stacked them though. Here, I'll try to drop one in the corner.
What do you mean? It's the speculation. This side. It doesn't do that on the other side.
That's me.
I'll just do whatever this is. Drop portal.
The scaling's definitely off. I need to shrink the structure.
This is lagging so hard. Look at this.
Okay, there we go.
It feels like I'm living inside
that smash announcement.
Okay, I'll try to drop it here. Don't actually go there.
Where is he?
Yeah, it feels like
I
I'm
was
living inside the
too because I have literally everyone toggled off because I crashed twice doing the opposite.
It is I.
Welcome.
It didn't work. I still have my portal's notification on. It didn't clear it. No, don't go. So I'm trying to clear the notification on my screen, and someone said drop a portal. It didn't work.
Somewhere over there.
I have a stuck notification. I'm trying to get it off.
Huh.
Is it showing on your stream too?
It is.
If I'm correct, it should be in the settings. Let me see where you can.
No, it's a bug. It's stuck. So here, if you look on my stream, I'll put it on something black so you can see it. It says Faxnor has created a portal, and it's been there since he created a portal in the last few worlds. It won't go away.
So it will not go away?
to
Yep.
minimal.
Here, let me try turning off the HUD entirely. Maybe that'll work. Like literally no settings. Change it.
But that is just going to activate and deactivate the HUD, and then the thing is just going to stay there.
Okay, it's gone if I turn it off. If I set it to minimal, does it come back? Still there.
Huh.
HUD just hides it, doesn't dismiss the notification. So if I want to see my mic icon or any other icons, yep, it's just gonna live there. I guess I'll leave it off for now so it's not annoyingly in the stream all the time.
Garloid took only 3.5 hours to make this world, so he might have forgotten something.
It does mean I'm not gonna see any HUD notifications, so if someone's trying to join on me or whatever. Why are we all going over there? Is there something over there? Or is it just people lemmingzing? I think we're lemmingzing up there. Was there only music over in the beginning? Was it localized? I guess so. We're just gonna float through the meadow here. How are we doing on frames? I've got 26 frames. It feels lower than that, but eerily quiet over here. But yeah, nice little dojo and some Unity terrain. Are these the nature manufactured trees, maybe? I don't know. That's pretty big. That's pretty big bark texture. I don't think those are nature manufacture. And we have found the end. Let's see what the whole thing looks like from underneath. Oh, the water shader. There we go. Yeah. Look at how small that dojo is from the.
Oh.
I like this. I like this paneling though. That's nice. Oh, can you go into the water or you fall through? You can walk on the water.
Yeah. It looks really good. I mean, the only talking absolute rubbish with people while doing this.
It has something to do with pigeons, but it's
Well,
a
why
big
not?
fad, so it's a demo.
Wait, for what?
why not?
Oh, I didn't set the audio to loop either. There is some royalty-free ambient sound, but I just realised.
Yeah, the caltrops used to be just little spheres, and in the open beta, there are these giant freaking. Here, I can show you. Even if I just open the main menu, they turn on. So you can see my hip tracker is right here. It is just stabbing me in the guts. I mean, it's. I guess it's nice to see the axes. Although it was funny, we were in a world yesterday in which you could see the blue and the cyan axis, but the red and orange look like red and yellow, and then the green and yellow look like yellow and yellow. So you actually couldn't tell. I guess this is useful. I don't think they need to be this aggressive looking. They could be softer. They could be a little more friendly, I think. I'm not sure like why people need to know the axis. Maybe that's useful to them. I haven't really had an issue with that, but okay.
Yeah, on the wing you can just see the world you're in there.
Oh, okay. I can't leave the HUD off because then I can't tell when I'm muted or not. I have to have it on. Sorry, guys.
I need to do a lot of playing with post-processing, try and get some, if I can, like, god rays coming into the trees and everything, and through the,
Alright, there we go.
Alfred paper walls and everything.
For that,
where are they going?
Why are we hanging out by the VR water? Is what I want to know.
Yeah. Oh, excellent. I'll go and take a look at that then, yeah. Good.
Yeah,
are there settings for the...
Yeah, which I'm using a single directional dynamic lighting here.
Yeah, so it worked perfectly anyway.
Yeah.
Wait, is the light changing over time? I didn't notice.
I was able to get the grass in here without killing my frames.
Wait, no, I don't think so.
Oh, he said dynamic light. I thought what he meant.
Terrain grass
No,
system
yeah,
for it,
yeah.
And I have
yeah,
a draw distance on there, so it's dynamically culling all of the grass past a certain distance. And it is quite simple grass as well. It's just little planes. It's not a mesh grass. I don't think.
Right.
Although I may have clicked the wrong prefab for grass when I was doing the train, so I did it all quite quickly. Well, either way, it
That's
works.
great though, dude. For how long? I know I was jumping into the thing wherever you were modeling this thing out, but that's great. This is looking pretty solid for a single
happy
day.
with the speed of it.
Yeah.
I need to get the
Especially
biodome
3.5
finished up,
hours.
and actually does look pretty, whereas this building looks a little bit crunched.
First one in the chain, and then
I have like an Eden Project style dome I've been working on for a while and trying to get everything just right for it, so I'll show that off at some point. But that's got a lot of work yet.
You're gonna try to work on this for like another week or so in order to show it off a week after the next?
But then
Yeah, I'll probably do a bit of iterating and improvement.
has the fizzbone property.
Oh yeah, just for like another week or so.
On the trees too.
So that's something you might do, like a control in the fizz
Just a little subtle one.
When I mean, from here, like my own headset is moving just enough where it's like, wait, there's no wind. I guess it's all me.
Yeah, I don't see any reason you couldn't animate your bird.
No one's
Garloid,
the trees are constantly sparkling because of anti-aliasing
or something like.
Oh yeah. Oh, another silent shader. If you haven't heard it, silence crispy foliage.
Yeah, that one's good.
That helps
I'm just
with,
using
anything
on silence. Good. Very good. Yeah.
Check it out.
Just for
Advertisement, apparently.
compatibility, in case I was going to push it to Quest, I just used
No. Crispy foliage you should absolutely use for Quest, because if you use the normal cutout stuff, that's super bad on Quest. Alpha coverage will eliminate the incredibly... So, like, on Quest, a forest level like this will look like a herd of bees. And it'll just be... Let's see, buzz, 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 buzz. The crispy foliage makes that so much nicer.
Oh, fantastic.
And yeah, you can use custom shaders in Quest worlds, but not Quest avatars.
Yeah,
They'll complain at you in the SD camp and just ignore it.
Yeah, but I normally have somebody to run around and check.
Oh yeah.
Shut the fuck up, Steve.
Yeah.
Toxic.
What? No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, we know.
I haven't even been in the forest of my own world yet, so I'm going to take a look. See if there's anything that jumps out.
No, I have to specify that because one time I didn't say I was joking, and then like I burned an entire community and Bridge and friend group, and I was like, guys, I was just kidding.
Oh.
Shit.
Oopsie.
I mean, I just kind of assumed that like nobody would actually bully Steve, so I just assumed that that was a joke. If it had been somebody else, then maybe, but Steve's unbullyable.
I'm unbullyable, apparently.
That's unblockable, but with plus frames.
Man, dude, I fucking hell. I have everyone as diamonds now because I can't. I've crashed my headset twice. I don't know how that's happened, but
me
I have
too.
like nameplates and everybody's diamonds, so I'm just like looking at everybody. It's like I don't know who the fuck anybody is until I hear their voice.
You know what I'm thinking now? I've learned more about avatars. It might be an avatar because you can have an avatar that's rated medium, but you can have like 2 gigabytes of like texture memory, and then that's like all your GPU's like memory gone.
Yeah. I mean, that's
But now,
hopefully they'll update the performance ranks someday. The system they used to rank them. But now that we have VRAM, right, that's in the menu, you can see people and bully them for it.
make that a rule here. Or consider making it a rule.
Wait,
here.
let's see.
No
Let's
over,
see. So
like,
you're
100
a
megabytes of
medium, and how can I see your avatar details now? How can I see that? How can I see your avatar details?
It
I
should
mean,
be
is
the
it
same
not
as
the same
before.
way?
It's
Yeah, you
not
just
in
click
main
on the
menu
person
anymore.
and
You click on them, and then you
Quick
scroll
menu.
down, and then you go to.
You can do it in quick menu, but you can't do it on main.
Else in your other hand.
Wait, no. Where's your avatar details?
Wait, no, Fiona. So open up the menu in one hand, and then click on me in the other hand, and then it'll show up.
Oh, it's okay. It's in the view avatar details. Is in the quick menu only. It's not in the main menu.
I guess.
Wait,
but you can't see
this
VRAM in the
this
quick
version
menu.
doesn't show your texture memory.
Yeah, you can only see your own texture menu. No, I swear
I can tell you.
I've seen this somewhere else. Like so if I click on you and then I click on your profile, right, and that opens up the main menu. I swear I saw someone. I swear you could see their avatar details in here before. No?
Oh. It's new menu.
I don't know.
It's weird.
I'm honestly, I like the new menu. I'm just a little confused about how things are because it's just different. I'm just getting used to it.
Yeah, same. Well, and also they have not really integrated the quick menu into the main menu seamlessly yet. So like some things are in both places, some things are only in one. And so I swear there was a place where I could see someone, because like you can see your own. So if you go into avatars, right, and then like if you look at your own avatar, view avatar details. In the main menu, you can see avatar details, and that's where you can see your texture memory. So I'm currently at 1.94 megabytes of texture memory. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I don't know how to see other people's texture memory.
Notification, social. Oh,
Maybe you
I don't want to
can't.
switch.
Maybe that's still
There
a
we go.
private thing.
I thought you could.
Avatar details. Medium. 6.7. I look Visemes. Oh wow, you can actually see all that shit. Nice.
View avatar details.
I can see my own. It's
Download size.
Basic messages. Texture memory, 10 megabytes.
No,
okay.
maybe we shouldn't worry about texture memory. It's not that big of a deal. We don't have to look at people's
Why,
texture
what's wrong,
memory
Ever?
right now.
What's wrong with your texture memory?
No?
You got too much texture.
No,
What's
no,
wrong?
I'm
What's
just
wrong?
saying.
You got something
We've
you're
been on
trying to
this
hide?
topic for a while. Maybe we can talk about the world. Look at the water. It's so.
Okay. What did I just do? I thought I just saw your 3D. Oh, there it is. Okay, when I look at your avatar in the main menu, your skirt's up.
Oh, well, stop looking at it.
No, okay, like
Those
if you
those
look
are
at your own
rotation,
avatar
parent-
preview,
those
are
parent
you
constraints.
seeing the same thing?
Yeah, I don't. Sometimes that happens. I put parent constraints on the fronts of the skirt for the legs, and then it does that in the preview. But no one could see the preview but me, so I didn't care. But now I'm probably gonna start caring.
That's just it. I never worried about that before. Now I have to. Actually, because I don't know if you've noticed this, but it will show your avatar as uploaded in the preview. It won't show it as a default animator. which can be a problem depending on how you uploaded it. If it did not match your default avatar, or you know what I mean? Like I definitely have, like if you have stuff on your avatar that you don't want on all the time, and you uploaded it with that stuff showing.
Yeah, Steve.
Wow.
Actually, that's a good point, Fionna. Thank you for telling me that. Anyways.
You're lucky I can't bring my hands out and slap you around with my PvP stuff.
Yeah, because we'll see that by default now in the avatar preview.
Oh no, did I already show you Fionna? So I have a version of my avatar now where I can roll up the sleeves and then just like slap people around. God.
You killed him. Fucking died.
Rest in pieces.
Alright. I don't want to be on this water anymore. I'm gonna respawn.
There are a lot of people still over there. Should we tell them?
Ah, they will come. It's fine.
Wait.
The respawn where they listen.
Wait, where's...
30, I believe?
Okay.
Who? That is pretty standard, yeah, 230. Okay.
Oh, why are you on safety settings, Vaxinor?
How tall are you?
Yeah, you can start.
Yeah. Okay. So what we're gonna see now is a project I've been working on for a while now, and it's kind of a recreation of Myst in VRChat, so you can play together.
Ooh.
It's an old game from '93. It's a very work in progress, and if I say that I hope that everyone survives, you should. There is no problems what I found so far with syncing or anything. Everything should work. When you go in, you have like a menu that you can grab your triggers and open up, and you have like volume. And if you click in the top right where it says Community Meetup, you can teleport around in the world and look on different things. You can lower the music for stream. It shouldn't be copyrighted, but you can if you want to in the menu. And
Shouldn't be. Is it or
shouldn't
isn't
be.
it?
I don't completely know. It's in Internet Archive, uploaded the entire album, so it's from archive.org.
Yeah, well, then I'm just gonna mute the world audio.
Okay. I dropped the portal there.
And you guys could at least try for once. Freaking.
You're too close
The other side?
No, you can drop it here. Just everyone knows.
Alright, you got this.
Yeah, ain't any portal, no.
At least portals are working now.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Yeah, don't say that.
Jinxed it. Jinxed it.
You need to unlock it.
Unlock so bad.
I'll do a link portal.
No, you didn't unlock
the portal.
Atheists be like, God isn't real, and then
No, but there's no portal there. That's the thing.
My portal works.
Sherbert.
My dropping level is too low.
He doesn't have enough
Once again.
Oh no, not again.
Oh my god.
Oh well.
I'm glad I should've it.
That means you can't even drop me.
I meet up a couple
So
weeks
everyone
ago
can
because
check
I like,
the,
give back and it gave me like the impetus to like really optimize it. It runs so well it maxes the frame rate on the Quest.
Is this going to be another puzzle world I'm going to have spoiled by the meetup? I'm going to have to try to not. If it's the same puzzles as one, if it's inspired by and it's new puzzles, then I don't want to get spoiled.
True. True, so yeah.
Miss one of my all-time favorite game series. Pretty much like exactly what Puzzle World should be. I think I remember playing it on my parents' like CRT TV somehow. I don't know how I did that, but I do remember hooking up. It must have been on console or something. I don't know. That was a long time ago. Jeez, it's an old game.
Every time somebody joins? Every time somebody joins, like, being done.
How do I get here?
Oh dear.
I don't know if I get a every time joins. I just heard it.
Similar
Why
menu to
didn't we-
What did you
Little trivia for you.
Yeah. Trivia time.
The company that made the.
And nobody's gonna say.
Or called Cyan.
No, it's well,
Eric, I love how you think he would know that.
Resetting.
I mean, I don't know. So within the last month, something funny is that basically somebody else had joined like the official Discord for Myst. Saying emu, and then it's just kind of like for VRChat, and it's just like they're clearly on the wrong Discord.
Oh my god!
Sent to me is that
somebody joined.
emu, and then it's just
All
kind
right,
of like,
this is nice lag fest. We'll wait till everyone gets in here.
a long time ago.
A lot of people.
Glad you're one of the people ago, but yes. I mean, it was a long time ago, but it's like I don't know if I ever like completed it or I like watched somebody walk through it. Like, it's been I don't remember that. Or like completed. Probably like just watching like my family play or something. I did hear that.
And I have Quest.
My tracking is not having a happy time today.
Oh, it is. It was on Quest for a couple months. I think it was about a year, and then now it's on Steam.
I have never done the VR one. I keep meaning to do that.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'll have to play the
really
VR
like
one.
But let's take a quick look. So far it looks like it's a recreation, but not actually a rip. Is that right? Or did it just look like this in the original?
So funny.
No.
This is a recreation.
Yeah, this is a recreation. All the clicks.
So funny. I love those little tiny sound effects.
Yeah, I definitely want to come back here and actually play the puzzles. It's been a minute since I did the original Myst. Oh, can you go down into this basement here? Ooh. Ooh. I'm in the underwater tunnel.
You a devouring reference?
What? What's that? That wasn't in the original, was it?
I have no idea. I've never been here before.
It's been so long since I played this game, and actually, I seem to remember playing the second one, the one with Akinar and what's his butt. I was so invested in the choice there. I was so stressed out about what to do with the last page. I just remember like doing the saves because I wanted to see all the endings, right? And like I was like, but that's cheating. Yeah, my frames are so unhappy. We don't even have real-time lights here. I'm just like not doing well today. Really need a restart. Is this where's the audio puzzle one? Are these all different puzzles? I don't even know if these are the same puzzles or not. I kind of don't want to mess with them right now because of the spoilerness. I'll favorite this world and come back, which I think I have to do from the main world's menu. Wait, no, I have to do from the quick menu. The here. Add to playlist. I'm gonna put that in a to visit playlist. I also still have to do Juice's World with the puzzles. Man. I need a puzzle buddy. People who really brick roof, interesting. I can climb up here. There's definitely something going on with this little tightrope walkie thing here. Oh wait, we got our rocket ship. Ooh, yep. I stuck. Yeah, I did. I've lost all audio. Am I? What's happened? Yeah, just audio for me is completely gone. All right, that's fun. That's fun. All right. Maybe if I rejoin the world. Let's try that. Oh, it was people spamming the click. Probably broke audio sources. I'm not going anywhere. That didn't work. Nope, I'm crashed. I got no menu. It thinks I'm rejoining the world, but I'm just sitting here. I have no menu. Oh wait, there's a radial menu. Wait, how can I have the radial menu and not the main menu? What the hell has happened? What's going on with my vision? There, is that someone messing with it? Or is that... Right, if I look just like that? Okay, weird. Well, me trying to rejoin this instance apparently has broken my VRChat self, so I'm now a ghost. I can't hear anything. Oh, I've got this book. My main menu crashed! My quick menu crashed! I can't open it. I can't hear anybody. I can't do anything. I'm probably going to have to just restart my game. I was hoping maybe come back. I tried to rejoin the world. I'm just dead. I don't even know if people can see me. All right. Okay. Well, we're going to restart VRChat there. Oh, I don't know, Cyan. I don't think I have a choice. I have to restart VRChat. There's nothing else I can do. All right, trying again. Alright, so I wasn't the only one, it looks like, with network overload. It looks like other people... Other people had that. Probably the click. That click sound. No, do not launch in desktop mode. Thank you. Oh, someone else couldn't rejoin the instance. Fascinating. Okay. That's hilarious. All right. Oh, face. Okay. Here's the stream. Let's see. There's a link posted. Where's the link posted? I don't see a link posted. Where is the link posted? Oh, that's the link. Oh, I thought that. Okay. The Aberif world.